Welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss on background attribute and picture element in HTML. So as we know in HTML, the body element provides content to a web page and it may include image, text, background of the web page and aligning of the text. The body element is placed immediately after the closing tag of the head. The closing tag of the body element is placed before the HTML. That is the closing tag of HTML. All other tags such as formatting tags, images are placed within the opening and closing tags of the body element. And so background attribute. The background attribute is used to provide a background image for the web page. The syntax of the background element is body background URL or path to the file name and the closing of the body tag. Next we will today discuss on the picture element. Picture element we can say is basically based on the responsive design. So before using picture element we need to remember two things. Format. Some browser or devices does not support many format. Using picture element we can add images of all format. Browser will display the image it recognizes first and ignore the rest. Bandwidth. Sometimes it's not necessary to download a large size image in small devices. Browser will use the first source element with the matching attributes and ignore the rest. The next is the syntax. Syntax will be between the picture opening tag and the picture closing tag. In between we need to write the source set, that is image, to the path and the media with minimum width. Let's move to the Visual Studio Code. So first we will add a background image to the web page. So body, nothing, background, then we can add suppose logo, transparent .png. Save it and I am now running it. Select Chrome. So this display that the background image has been added into the web page. Now coming to the second one, that is the picture element. I have written the picture element code for all of you. So in picture element we can see the first two source media. In the first media where I have mentioned minimum width 750 pixel, then the source it will redirect to image girl png, and the next one if the minimum width is 660 pixel, it will redirect to image home. I have three images. One is the logo transparent, one is the girl image and another is the home image. So when the image will be 750 pixel and above, it will show the image of the girl. Once the pixel reaches less than the 750 pixel, then it will show the image of the home, and rest others it then image below the 660 pixel it will show the logo transparent. Let us demonstrate. Run and start debugging Chrome. So first here we see the image of the girl. Let me resize it. So I am slowly resizing it. Once it reaches, see, 750 pixel and above, it will show the image of the girl, and so once it reaches less than 750 pixel, it will show the image of the home. And I am still reducing it further. See, less than 660 pixel, it will show the logo transparent.png. Isn't it awesome? If you like the video, please like it and share it and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.